What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We got Blue Dusty right here behind me. In today's video, we're gonna go take this car on over to my buddy Bart's house to give it a wash. I made a post on like last week, and he's seen how dirty this car was. Bart's the only one that details my car, other besides me like taking it to the car wash and giving it some washes. This car hasn't been washed in about 2.5 months, and it hasn't been started in about 2.5 months as well. So that's two negligence for this car. In exchange, I'm gonna be making a video for my buddy Bart because he has his detailing company. So he's gonna wash my car, and I'm gonna make him a cinematic dope video for his company as well. You guys seen him in the video before if you watched Bludini get detailed, I think like last year. I also got to install the strange struts on the driver's side of the car. In my previous video, I installed the strange strut on the passenger side, but I wasn't able to complete the driver's side. So we're gonna do that as well over at Bart's house. And we're gonna give this car a start up. This car is still on E85. Ooh, it's been a hot minute, man. Ever since that Christmas video I made, that's the last time I drove this car. Okay, cool, we're gonna prime it up. Dustiest car on the road right now, and I got matching struts. I got stock struts on the driver's side and strange struts on that side. The alignment is actually not so bad. It's not driving so bad. But once I get everything finalized and maybe throw on some more suspension parts, then I'll go get an alignment. Woo, man, oh man, how have I missed driving this car? And that's one good thing about living in Chicago. You got winter, so you get to take a break and you build that excitement up again when the spring comes around, so you can get outside and drive your car. Drive your car. Yes, sir, indeed. Blue Dusty coming down the street. Watch out, because all y'all about to get sick. How does it look? How does it look?
Which one?
Oh, Blue Dusty.
Dusty.
In the garage?
Yeah, just go in the garage. Damn, bro, your shit dusted. Your shit dusted, boy. What the fuck? God damn.
You better have fun with this one, bro. I'm always giving Bart a hard time, I think. Bro, your shit's dusted, bro. You didn't see it that much from the outside? Dude. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice makeover. It's gonna be very satisfying.
It is gonna be nice, satisfying.
Yeah. Last time Bart worked on my car, he didn't have his own van, but now he's got his own van. Fully, the design goes crazy on this thing. So if you see his car in the Chicagoland, Wheaton, Naperville, Aurora, any of these areas, you see him riding around. And if you need a wash, make sure you give him a call and all that. We're about to do the strut first on the driver's side, and then we'll go and give this car a wash. I'm gonna actually see how fast I can do this. It is 3:12 now. It's gonna take 20 minutes for me to do these struts from uninstalling to installing. Let's go.
Buy him. I always try to buy my shit. All my polishers, same shit. I'm like, whoever stained them, I want them.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's got a full exhaust system, so I was like,
Yeah.
I was sitting at my desk.
it's gonna be a little loud.
Yeah, I was trying to back in. I wasn't trying to rev it so much.
We're
but
trying to be quiet.
that's crazy as hell.
No, bro, his ass, he be walking up, bro, in the morning, pink robe on, bro. He be having his wife's
No
robe.
fucking way.
Bro, I swear, bro. I'm gonna send you a video on Snapchat next time, bro. Pink robe, he be walking up in that block, bro.
That's crazy, bro. I swear. Move this quick. This came out smooth as hell. Good. Man, we are fucked. All right, cut that line off of there. ABS is disconnected. Smooth.
Damn, I gotta give me a half.
You gotta get you a half.
I gotta give me a half inch, bro.
I was saying. Easy.
Damn, I need that.
13 mils, take these nuts. Alright, so that other one's on there so the whole strut don't fall off. And then take this off, pull the strut out. Okay. Spring compressors.
We're gonna get dangerous in here.
You ever done this?
Hell no. I let my mechanic do this shit.
First time I did this in the garage, bro. I'm like, oh shit. I never compressed the spring, but surprisingly, it wasn't bad at all. It came off nice and smooth. I was taking up all the precautions. However, we still gonna take precautions though, because maybe I might have just got lucky. I don't fucking know.
Where you been?
18?
Somebody's trying to kill me in my garage.
Yeah. It's alright.
It's alright, bro. We got insurance.
It'll be my garage, right?
I'm ready to jump. What are you talking about?
It should come off after
I'm about to have to call the ambulance, bro. Tremaine's finger's gone.
I need my fingers, man.
That's the money makers, bro. For you.
Oh, here we go. We got it off. Good.
Alright, bet. We're
Nuts
alive.
off. Nice
We're
and
alive.
smooth.
We're alive.
Y'all, this is not as scary. Like, I was backing the nut off. I just did this for the first time twice, and it came off smooth as fuck. Maybe I'm lucky.
People don't follow
Who
directions.
has had bad experiences with removing the top mount?
Transfer everything over to this one.
We got the bushing off. Throw that on. I put some lubricant on the bottom of that. We got the boot. Throw that on over. Then we got the spring, and I got Ibach lowering springs, y'all. They're not the Pro Sportline ones, so the car is not extremely low, but it still looks good, especially if you throw the right tire on there. You won't scrape so much. You ever fucking found some, like, clean some shit?
Yeah, I've cleaned dog shit before. I've cleaned human shit.
Oh my
It's a good
God.
payday though. It's a good payday. Because they don't want to touch it. So like, they're going to pay whatever it costs to get doo-doo cleaned out.
Jesus.
Now the weirdest things I've ever like cleaned, bro, was out of a car was fucking maggots, bro.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, well that was like the first couple of years. I was just taking whatever I could to get my name out there.
People are disgusting.
Yeah, bro, maggots.
You learn how disgusting people are.
Yeah, with their car. Bro, I found dildos in cars,
Oh my God.
used condoms, vibrators, lingerie, you name it. You'd be surprised what people leave in their car, bro. I come there, I'm like, everything's out of the car? Yup. All right.
Dang.
All right, Kathy.
Forgot about that one night.
Yeah.
You know, how you didn't have a hotel
Yeah,
room.
exactly. All right, Kathy. Sneaking around. Your husband find out?
Kathy's sneaking around.
Kathy's out here sneaking around.
Bro, this on here.
Damn.
Oh, I forgot to throw Loctite on.
I mean, it won't come off.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be good.
If it's on there.
It's on there.
If it's on there, it's on there. It
on
ain't
there.
gonna come out.
Yeah, it's on there.
If it comes loose, you'll know what it is. Once it goes back up, it'll see.
There's the bearings came. Yeah, the bearings are fucked.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, as you guys can see, I broke the top mount hat right here, and the bearings are all out of that. So we're gonna go to O'Reilly's and pick up a new top hat. We're pulling up at the biggest O'Reilly. This is the biggest distribution center in the neighborhood.
So yeah, so that one's $60.99.
Finally got the top cut off. Yeah, smooth. All right, so we just swapped the top strut mount hat off and put the new one in. This is ready to go. Put the Loctite on. About to throw this in the car. If you want to see a deep install video, then go check out the other video that I made.
It's me. Look away.
Huh?
Look away. Hold on.
Zoom in. Shit, man. Buddy's really in his big robe out here walking.
I told you I wasn't lying.
You know what you gotta do, man? You gotta get a purple one, bro.
Bro, should I? Should I
Yeah.
join them? Get a purple
Yeah,
one?
you gotta get a purple one.
Fuck it.
Good. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Come on, fit in there.
That's what she said.
Yes, sir. That shit tight. That's what he said. Eventually, y'all, I might need to upgrade.
Get some like adjustable links.
I get some adjustable links.
That's nice, though.
I know eventually I am. I think I might even before I get an alignment.
Yeah.
For all this shit. That's good.
That's
No.
not going nowhere.
Nope. Smooth. Can't
Space
forget
it
my
back
good
on.
spacers. This shit's from AutoZone. It's been doing me good. Doing me good for a minute, y'all. I gotta get some real ones, some good ones. But because I upgraded to the 4-piston brake caliper, it needed to clear the wheel. And this was emergency, and it's been just on here ever since for like a year.
Yeah, that's how emergencies go. It ends up being permanent. Zip a that dude on these.
Yeah, not so much, no, just a little bit. All right, so that 20-minute job that I said I was gonna do turned into 2 hours because the dumbass top strut mount broke. And then we went to O'Reilly. They took 45 minutes to get us the goddamn part. Now the sun's down. This is what it looks like actually out here. But now Bart is about to go ahead and give this Blue Dusty a nice detail because it is much needed. It's gonna be like, I don't know, a simple.
Somewhat
what
simple.
rundown?
It's gonna be a good decon wash. Basically, we're just gonna get all the dust off, and then just remove any of the impurities from the paint to make it look nice, shiny again, so it doesn't look all dusty.
Yep.
Maybe top it off a little bit because I did coat it, so maybe
Okay.
get a little topper.
Found out I was coming, sent your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only call you when it's
great glass, Bludini, man. This thing is looking mighty fucking sharp. Too damn good to go sit back in the garage for I don't know how extra long. So it's gonna be maybe the first time that it's out driven for a minute. Eventually, I will get an alignment with the car. I got both struts installed into the car now. Like I mentioned, both strange rear struts and strange rear shocks are now upgraded into Bludini. Y'all probably wondering when the hell I'm gonna throw the supercharger on the car. I don't know when myself. Jesus. Who the fuck? This guy. He see me recording. I thought it was gonna be a car, but it's a truck. Hold on, man. This shit looking too damn good right here. Ninja walk, ninja walk, ninja walk. Pretty smooth. Yo, shout out to my boy Bart. We go way back since elementary, and he cleaned this car up mighty fucking good. Other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next couple of videos. We going.
انا دييغو اسود على البيت لك مارادونا في فويجو